me a mini, give me a mini, give me a mini, a mini, a mini.
My name's Steve Kohler from Chesterfield, Michigan, driver of the Wrecking Crew monster truck. My girlfriend Stephanie is also my crew chief. She loves blizzards and she's been working hard all day on the truck.
Give me a mini, give me a mini, give me a mini, a mini, a mini. Give me a mini, give me a mini, give me a mini, a mini, a mini.
Today, I got her a mini blizzard and we're gonna go give it to her. Stephanie, you've been working hard all day. You take a break, I'll take over from here. I got you this. You've just received a mini blizzard treatment.
Thank you. Do you want my pink gloves?
No, I'll be all right.
Okay, thank you.